So recently, while speaking in one of the seminars, conducted by ICI, which was basically around stress management for the students, the maximum number of queries that I got was about, how to revise it. There was a lot of stress related to exams. They were not able to recall things. They're not remembering what they're studying. And majorly the problem was with the theory subjects. So let me give you a really good way that you can use or that you can practice to revise the content very well. And I'm only speaking about the theory subjects. I'm not speaking about the practical subjects. The practical subjects need to be practiced well. That they need it needs to be practiced in a way that you are writing on a piece of paper, not using the mobile phone. Now, as far as theory subjects are concerned, let me give you a really good way to do that. What I'm sure you must be traveling in your car, or you must be hearing a particular song, and you must have realized that even if you don't like the song on radio, but still the radio channel plays it so many times that you are able to learn the lyrics by yourself, because that song is playing again and again, and it is coming in front of you. You're giving your you're hearing that song again and again, and you're able to recall the same. The same technique can be used while revising theory subjects as well. So whenever you start studying any theory subject, whenever you are, let's say reading Income Tax Act and you are reading certain sections of the same, you are revising IGT and you are revising certain sections for the same, you are working on essays in audit or any sort of audit related theory, or maybe Companies Act, which has become a part of IPCC. This video is also for IPCC, guys. So you're reading any theory subject, and the problem is that you're not able to recall the content. Do one thing: whenever you are studying the same, just record it in your mobile phone. Let's say you are reading something, essay 300 series, essay 500 series, just record it, read it again and again loud, and put the recorder on in your mobile phone. And once you're not in the study mode, let's say you are having lunch, or you're traveling by metro, or you are a piler on a two-wheeler, you can just put on your earphones and hear what you study. And if you hear one content again and again, I'm pretty sure you'll be able to remember the same in your examination as well, because the same effect that you have when you are hearing a song or an advertisement over radio applies here too, because our mind is very smart. It can recall words, it can recall the content which we hear again and again. I think this can help you to revise your content very well. Definitely, it'll take up a lot of space in your mobile phone once you record it, but you can keep on deleting the recordings. Let's say if you are sure about a certain topic, and you say that, yes, I can revise this very well and I can write it very well, just delete the recording and you can record further. Or you can keep let's say a mother's headphone, or sorry, mother's, phone or a mobile phone, or if you have any sort of idle phone available at home, you can record it there too and start hearing the same. I'm pretty sure this will help you to prepare for your theory subjects very well. For more interview related content, for more academic related content, please follow our channel. If you follow our channel, it gives us a lot of encouragement to make certain videos and content. And this is basically our initiative to provide free education to people who are not able to afford it. Please support our vision of providing free education through YouTube by subscribing it. And in case if you have any sort of queries, please do put it in the comment section, and we'll try and take up those queries and answer those queries through our videos. Thank you for watching the video. Please do watch the full video and shower your love on this video. Thank you. Check out our page on Instagram as well. That was the last thing. Thank you.